Hey guys, it's Sophie with the Sii Store here at Stitch It International, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most popular papers that we sell, and that is the Forever Laser Dark. So what comes with that is going to be the A sheets and the B sheets, and the A sheet is what you're going to print off onto, and then the B sheet is going to be the adhesive side. So we went ahead and we have printed off our design on the A sheet, so we're going to go ahead and pull out our heat press. And our heat press is set to 320 degrees on a medium pressure, and we have it preset for 120 seconds. So for our A sheet, we want to go ahead and put it shiny side down. And then our adhesive side is going to be blank white on one side, and it's going to have letters on the other, and it's yellow. It just says Forever Laser Dark, and you want to place it with the letter side up. Then we're going to go ahead and add our silicone sheets because we don't want to ruin our press. Then we're going to go ahead and slide this in and go ahead and press it for the full 120 seconds. Alright, so it looks like we only have about 15 seconds left, so whenever this is ready to come out, we're going to go ahead and do it as a hot peel, and you want to peel it as slow and steady as you can, so you just make sure that you do it in a smooth process. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull it out and remove our silicone sheets. Grab the corners of our print and start smoothing, peeling very smoothly. Alright, and so our design is going to be married nice and perfect. And normally whenever you have your print, you're going to want to go ahead and trim off the sides, which I went ahead and did that off the camera. That way it kind of saved us a little bit of time here. So next you want to grab your t-shirt and you want to do a pre-press for about 3 to 5 seconds. Go ahead and do that now. Do a nice little quick press, nothing fancy. And then we're going to want to go ahead and place our trimmed up A sheet with the adhesive. And you want to go ahead and place with the shiny side up. Want to make sure it's all leveled and looks really nice and centered. And then we're going to go ahead and place our silicone sheets back on. And we're going to go ahead and press this for 30 seconds. So whenever your heat press says 90 seconds, it's time to go ahead and pull it on out. Alright, so we have about 5 seconds left, and we're going to go ahead and take this out, and we're going to set it aside for a cold peel. Remove our silicone sheets, and we're going to set this aside. So I went ahead and I had one ready for whenever we do our cool peel. So whenever we do this, we want to do it in a very swift rolling motion. So you're going to take your corner, bend it over, and we're going to do a nice, steady peel. And then our shirt is peeled very nicely. Now this one does have a very shiny effect to it, so I'm going to grab this other shirt that I did an additional 30 seconds with. So here's my shirt with the additional 30 seconds. As you can tell, it's not as shiny. This paper is actually the most wonderful paper that I've ever used. You can use this Forever Laser Dark on light and dark garments. We sell it anywhere from an 8.5 by 11 all the way up to a 13 by 19. You can find this on our siistore.com, or you guys can click the link below in the description box and it'll take you guys straight to that. Alright, so I hope to see you guys in the next video.